Welcome to today's episode of World Creatures. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of mosquitoes, a tiny but formidable creature that plays a significant role in ecosystems around the globe. For those who are new to this channel, we're thrilled to have you join our community. Thank you in advance for hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our journey. We can't wait to share more exciting content with you. We want to take a moment also to appreciate our longtime subscribers who've been with us from the beginning. Your dedication and enthusiasm keep us motivated to create better content every time. Thank you for being the backbone of our channel. Mosquitoes come in thousands of species, each with its own unique characteristics and behaviors. From the buzzing Aedes aegypti to the stealthy Anopheles gambiae, these insects have evolved to thrive in diverse environments, from tropical rainforests to urban landscapes. The life cycle of mosquitoes begins with egg stage. Female mosquitoes lay their eggs in or near standing water, such as ponds, marshes, puddles, or even artificial containers like buckets or flower pots. They lay their eggs individually or in clusters called rafts. Mosquito eggs can hatch within 24 to 48 hours depending on environmental conditions. Larva stage. Once the eggs hatch, they enter the larval stage. Mosquito larvae, often called wrigglers due to their wiggling movement in water, live just below the surface of the water. They breathe air through a specialized structure called a siphon. Larvae feed on organic matter and microorganisms present in the water. They molt several times as they grow. But why larvae mosquitoes wiggle? Well, mosquito larvae wiggle for a couple of reasons. First, it helps them to move and navigate through the water where they live. Second, the wiggling motion creates a small current around them, which helps to draw in oxygen-rich water, essential for their survival. This motion also helps to keep them from sinking into the sediment at the bottom of their aquatic habitat. Also, when disturbed or threatened, they may exhibit more vigorous wiggling or try to swim away rapidly as a defense mechanism. Essentially, wiggling is both means of locomotion and a way to maintain their environment. Pupa stage. After the larval stage, mosquitoes enter the pupal stage. Mosquito pupae, also known as tumblers, have a comma-shaped body and are often called comma pupae due to their appearance. Pupae do not feed during this stage, but are highly active and move in a tumbling motion to avoid predators. Pupae usually emerge as adult mosquitoes within a few days. Adult stage. When mosquitoes reach the adult stage, they emerge from the pupal casing, which typically floats at the water's surface. This emergence process involves the adult mosquito breaking free from the pupal casing, usually aided by air pressure and physical movements. Once emerged, the adult mosquito will rest on the water's surface briefly to allow its wings to dry and harden before taking flight. Male mosquitoes typically emerge first, followed by females. Adult mosquitoes feed on nectar from flowers for energy. But females require a blood meal to develop eggs. After mating, females seek out a host for a blood meal. Once they have fed, females lay eggs, and the life cycle begins again. The life cycle of a mosquito is a marvel of nature. From humble beginnings, as tiny eggs laid on the surface of stagnant water, these insects undergo a remarkable transformation, emerging as airborne adults ready to continue the cycle of life. Mosquitoes play a crucial role in the ecosystem as both predators and prey. As larvae, they serve as a vital food source for aquatic organisms, while adult mosquitoes pollinate flowers as they feed on nectar. However, their role as vectors of disease poses a significant threat to humans and animals alike. In many parts of the world, mosquitoes are more than just a nuisance. They are carriers of deadly diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. These diseases claim millions of lives each year, particularly in regions with limited access to healthcare and resources. Generally, in Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia tend to have higher mosquito populations and are more affected by mosquito-borne diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. The secret world of mosquito bites, unveiling nature's stealthy predators. In the quiet of the night, as you drift off to sleep, an unseen menace lurks in the shadows, waiting to strike. This is the story of the mosquito, a tiny yet formidable predator that has mastered the art of stealthy attacks. Mosquitoes are among the most successful insects on the planet. With over 3,500 species worldwide. But what makes them such efficient bloodsuckers? To understand the intricacies of a mosquito bite, we must first delve into the anatomy of these stealthy predators. Equipped with specialized mouthparts called proboscis, mosquitoes pierce the skin with razor-sharp precision, while simultaneously injecting saliva containing anticoagulants to prevent blood clotting. It's this saliva that triggers the familiar itch and swelling associated with mosquito bites. These tiny vampires are responsible for more human deaths each year than any other creature on Earth. But why do mosquitoes prefer some individuals over others? Is it blood type, body odor, or something else entirely? Scientists are still unraveling the complex interplay of factors that influence mosquito behavior and preferences. Mosquitoes are highly sensitive to a range of cues, including carbon dioxide, body heat, and chemical signals emitted by humans. Understanding these cues could lead to more effective strategies for mosquito control and disease prevention. But the battle against mosquitoes is far from over. As they continue to evolve resistance to insecticides and adapt to changing environments, new challenges emerge. From genetic modification to innovative trapping techniques, scientists and researchers are exploring a variety of methods to combat mosquito-borne diseases. As we venture deeper into the hidden world of mosquitoes, one thing becomes clear. Our fight against these stealthy predators is a battle for public health and environmental stewardship. So the next time you feel that familiar itch, remember the unseen world of mosquitoes that surrounds us and the importance of protecting ourselves and our communities from their deadly grasp. Fortunately, there are ways to control mosquito populations and reduce the risk of disease transmission. From the use of insecticides to the introduction of natural predators such as dragonflies and fish, efforts are underway to mitigate the impact of mosquitoes on human health. There is also the introduction of treated mosquito nets. Treated mosquito nets are bed nets that have been infused with insecticides, typically pyrethroids. These insecticides are designed to repel or kill mosquitoes that come into contact with the net, thereby reducing the risk of mosquito bite. The insecticide-treated nets, ITNs, are a crucial tool in malaria prevention efforts, particularly in regions where the disease is endemic. They are effective because they not only provide a physical barrier against mosquitoes, but also kill or repel them, further reducing the chances of bites and disease transmission. As we continue to study and understand mosquitoes, we gain valuable insights into their biology and behavior. By conserving their natural habitats and developing innovative control methods, we can strike a balance between protecting human health and preserving biodiversity. In conclusion, mosquitoes may be small in size, but their impact on the world is immense. By respecting their place in the ecosystem and working together to address the challenges they pose, we can ensure a healthier and more harmonious coexistence with these remarkable creatures. Feel free to suggest which creature you'd like us to feature in our next video as we explore the diversity of life on our planet. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more intriguing content. Stay tuned!